Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use a free version of Microsoft 365. This was completely legal and official. Okay, first go to your web browser. I'm showing you an incognito video because I'm always signed in, so I can't show the full procedure in a normal video. So I'm going to show you the full procedure here. First, type Microsoft 365 and then enter and tap on the first link. Then tap on sign up for free version of Microsoft 365. Then you'll get a sign up page. After you sign up with your Microsoft Microsoft account, then then you'll get a page like this like this in your PC. So you can use all Microsoft 365 apps for free. If you want this like an app, you can first tap on the three dots and then and create a shortcut and in shave and say create shortcut and then tap open as window create, then you can use it as an app. See, now you can use it as an app. That's it for this video, friends. Now please subscribe my channel and like the video. Bye bye.